Most AI channels will teach you how to use a tool. We don't do that. SubLogic AI exists for one reason: to show you what happens when artificial intelligence stops being a topic and starts being an architecture. There's a difference between knowing that AI can automate your business and actually seeing it happen. In real time, with real tools, building real systems. That difference is what obsesses us. Every week we sit down and we build. Not slides, not theory, not a list of tools you should try someday. We build functioning systems, piece by piece, layer by layer, and we show you every step. We call it the AI Business System, and it's not a course, it's not a tutorial series, it's a live construction of what a modern AI-powered business actually looks like under the hood. To make it real, we work with business cases, real scenarios, real challenges that companies face every day. Lead generation, client qualification, automated outreach, sales pipelines, content systems, operations that run without a human team managing every step. We take those challenges and we build the systems that solve them. From scratch, in public, one build at a time. So when you watch a build, you're not watching a demo. You're watching a real solution being constructed for a real business problem. Now, here's what we're not. We are not a tutorial channel. We don't slow down to explain every click. We don't pause to walk you through basic settings. We assume you're serious. We assume you want to understand how these systems think, not just how they work. The people who get the most out of SubLogic AI are the ones who watch not just to learn a tool, but to understand a system, to see how one piece connects to the next, to recognize the architecture behind the automation. There's a concept we come back to constantly: 1x, 5x, 20x, 100x. These are not marketing numbers, they represent levels of intelligence in a system. A 1x system moves data. A 5x system reasons about it. A 20x system acts on it autonomously. A 100x system coordinates entire teams of agents working in parallel. We started at 1x, we're building toward 100x, and you're watching it happen in real time. If you came here looking for step-by-step instructions on how to set up a free trial, this is probably not the right place. But if you came here to understand what it actually takes to build a business that runs on artificial intelligence, the architecture, the logic, the systems thinking behind it all, then you're exactly where you need to be. Less theory, more results. Welcome to SubLogic AI.